Imagine a place where the sky kisses the Aegean Sea, where whitewashed buildings shimmer under the Mediterranean sun, and every turn reveals a breathtaking vista so stunning it feels like stepping into a dream. Today, we're taking you on the legendary walk from Fira to Oya, a journey filled with awe-inspiring views, vibrant culture, and the magic of one of the world's most beautiful islands. So grab your virtual walking shoes, find a comfy spot on your big screen, and get ready to experience Santorini like never before. Let's go. Starting point, Fira, the heart of Santorini. Our adventure begins in Fira, the bustling capital perched on the edge of the caldera. As the island's vibrant hub, Fira combines lively markets, cozy cafes, and elegant boutiques with picture-perfect views of the deep blue Aegean Sea. The town's architecture, whitewashed houses with blue-domed churches, mirrors the quintessential Cycladic style, creating a harmonious blend of tradition and sophistication. Standing on the caldera's rim, the panoramic views are simply mesmerizing. Below, the rugged slopes of the caldera cascade into the sea, and the vibrant activity of the town adds to the allure. Cable cars glide gracefully along the cliffs, connecting Fira to the old port below, a quick, scenic ride of about 3 minutes costing around €10 for adults. These gondolas offer a scenic alternative to the traditional, more strenuous options like walking down the 600 steps or riding donkeys. While the donkey ride has long been a tourist favourite, concerns about animal welfare and the physical toll on the animals have prompted many to opt instead for the cable car or a leisurely walk. Trust me, walking along the caldera's edge allows you to savour every moment and every breathtaking view. The scenic descent, Fira to the port. Descending from Fira, the walk offers stunning vistas of the caldera, with the scent of Mediterranean spices and fresh seafood filling the air. The small port below is a charming spot where boats depart to nearby islands or offer a scenic return trip up the cliffs. The path from Fira to the port is steep but manageable, and the experience is worth every step. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can take a donkey from the donkey station, a quirky little bus terminal where these gentle animals await to carry visitors uphill. While this is a fun tradition, I personally recommend walking. It's healthier, more respectful to the animals, and allows you to truly connect with the island's natural beauty. The hike to Oya, an epic journey. Armed with water, sunscreen, and a sense of adventure, we set off on the approximately 10 to 12 kilometer hike from Fira to Oya. The trail winds along the caldera, offering uninterrupted views of the sea, volcanic islands, and charming villages. Expect the walk to take about 3 to 4 hours depending on your pace and how often you stop for photos or to explore. Along the way, you'll pass through quaint villages like Stefani and Vigli, quiet retreats with stunning viewpoints and peaceful atmospheres. As you walk, the vibrant local shops and cafes beckon but resist the urge. Your journey is about embracing the land, the views, and the culture, architectural gems and cultural stops. During your trek, don't miss the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist in Fira. Its peach-hued facade and elegant bell tower are striking against the blue sky. Inside, frescoes and stained glass windows create a sacred ambience, a peaceful pause amidst your adventure. The church exemplifies Santorini's blend of history and spirituality. Further along, you'll encounter the Church of Prophet Elias atop the highest point of the island, built in 1711. Its fortress-like architecture offers panoramic vistas that stretch in every direction, a perfect spot for photos and reflection, the volcanic origins and rich history of Santorini. As you hike, take a moment to reflect on Santorini's fiery past. The island's landscape was shaped by millennia of volcanic activity, with the most significant eruption occurring around 3,600 years ago. This catastrophic event during the Minoan civilization created the caldera, a vast submerged volcanic crater now filled with the Aegean Sea. The eruption expelled pumice and ash, causing climatic shifts across the region and burying the ancient city of Akrotiri under layers of volcanic material, remarkably preserved and offering a glimpse into ancient life. The volcanic activity still persists today, with the active Kameni Islands, Nea Kameni and Pelea Kameni, occasionally erupting, most recently in 1950. A rest stop with a view, Oya. After hours of walking along rugged paths, our destination, Oya, awaits. Famous for its postcard-perfect scenery, Oia is a village of narrow cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses and iconic blue dome churches. As the sun begins to set, the village transforms into a magical wonderland, attracting visitors from around the world eager to witness the legendary sunset over the caldera. Oia's charm extends beyond its vistas. Art galleries, boutique shops and traditional cafes line its streets, offering unique souvenirs and local delicacies. The village's history as a maritime hub is reflected in its architecture, captains' houses built into the volcanic rock, showcasing a blend of Cycladic and Venetian influences. Unmissable experiences in Oia. No visit to Oia is complete without catching the sunset from the Oia Castle or the nearby vantage points. The vibrant colours, orange, pink and gold, casting a glow over the sea and the white buildings, create an almost surreal scene. It's a perfect moment for photos, romantic moments, or simply soaking in the beauty of nature. The village also boasts art galleries, boutique shops, and charming tavernas, serving fresh seafood and local wines. Sample the famous Asurtico wine, a product of Santorini's volcanic soil, or indulge in traditional dishes like fava mekukia, yellow split pea puree, tomato keftedes, tomato fritters, or spanakopita, spinach pie. The cultural and natural tapestry. Santorini's volcanic origins have profoundly influenced its culture, architecture, and agriculture. The fertile volcanic soil supports unique crops, and the island's buildings are constructed from volcanic materials, blending seamlessly into the landscape. The local cuisine, architecture, and even the local wines tell stories of resilience and adaptation. A journey to remember, from the vibrant streets of Fira to the romantic allure of Oia, the walk along Santorini's caldera offers an experience like no other. It's a journey through stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, a true adventure for the senses. Whether you choose to hike, take the cable car, or enjoy a leisurely boat ride, Santorini's magic is undeniable. Its volcanic landscape, colourful villages, and unforgettable sunsets will leave you with memories to cherish forever. So, next time you visit this Greek paradise, lace up your walking shoes and embrace the adventure. Santorini's dream walk awaits.